So you plan on buying a house, but you don't have any credit or you don't have a good FICO score. Well, you don't have to worry about that. There's a way actually you can get around using a FICO score. Hello, I'm Brent Bocian. I'm a financial coach. And I just want to get the opportunity to explain to you about a process you can do to buy a house without using a FICO score. And the name of that process is called manual underwriting. So manual underwriting really it's a process for getting a loan, and it's the same as if you're using a FICO score. The difference is it's actually a more intense and it takes a long time to finish. Manual underwriting requires you to show that you can pay on time. So for example, you can show your rental payments, your health insurance payments, your student loan payments, your car insurance payments. That is able to show the lender that they can trust you that you can pay on time. Another thing that you're going to have to show to the lender while using manual underwriting is to make sure that you have a good down payment. It's typically recommended that you save around 20% for this manual underwriting process. That size of a down payment helps lower the lender's risk. Also, it's recommended that you have cash reserves. You typically want 3 to 6 months worth of expenses, just in case a medical emergency comes up or any kind of house repair. Life happens and that could mess up your financial situation. So a lender would feel at ease if you had enough money to cover any of your expenses that came up, plus continuing to pay your monthly mortgage. So in the end, you have to be prepared if you decide to do manual underwriting. Make sure that you're prepared with proof to show that you can pay on time, and also that you have cash reserves ready, and as well having a down payment around 20%. Now, the bad news about using manual underwriting is that it can take a long time. It's an extensive process. A normal process using a FICO score can happen in 30 days. Whereas manual underwriting could take a lot longer because you have to prove that you're trustworthy and you can pay on time. So it takes more research. And also, while you're looking for a lender, you may find one that's not willing to work with you because you don't have a FICO score. Because using a FICO score is a lot easier for them. So it may be hard to find a lender who's willing to do a manual underwriting process. But keep looking and try to find somebody that will. And also, if that housing market is very competitive and you were trying to use a manual underwriting process, you may not be an attractive buyer. They would probably decline your loan application because they would prefer somebody who is ready to buy a house as soon as possible because they don't want to do the lengthy process that manual underwriting is. So that's one way how you can get around using your FICO score, by using the manual underwriting process. Thank you.